just a little less.
Okay, and now we will begin the presentation of the BC Emangkoras for the Basque Cultural Center. The BC Emangkora is a lifetime achievement for those people who have contributed significantly to the center in starting the center, building the center, and its continuation and its success. So first, I would like to announce the first BC Emangkora of 2016, August Ida. He was on the phone every night, encouraging people to help build our Basque Cultural Center. And he was there many days, volunteering to help build it. August was on the board of directors from 1971 to 1981. He continuously worked hard to keep the Basque Center looking its best by volunteering on the building of grounds projects. In 1984, there was an SOS, Save Our Shrubs, a plea for gardening assistance. August was on the first crew of volunteers to trim and clean the hedges on the east side of the parking area. He could have started a recycling center with the bottles and glasses he collected in the parking lot bushes. And now he is a current member of the Elgalakan Choir. I guess his voice isn't doing too good lately. Please join me in congratulating August Igan. Second 2016 BC Emangkora recipient is Jean-Léon Subiru. Jean-Léon was a valuable participant in the formation of the Basque Cultural Center restaurant. On February 11, 1982, 3 days before the members' opening of the Basque Cultural Center, the restaurant's house committee, later named the 599 Railroad Catering Incorporated, held their first meeting. Jean-Léon was in attendance, along with Louis Elou, Jean-Pierre Espil, and Louis Marcolera. That day they suggested that the ordering be done by the manager only and reported the wages for the different jobs. Jean-Léon was behind the bar, getting everything ready for the members' opening, so was there to get our restaurant off to a good start in its early years. In October 1982, the board of directors announced the formation of the new corporation, the 599 Avenue Railroad Incorporated, responsible for the operation of the restaurant. Jean-Léon was one of the first 7 board members and its vice president in 1983 and 1984, and president in 1985. Please join me in congratulating Jean-Léon Subiru. one member's children was passed down to her daughter, Arancha. They can often be seen working side by side. Maria is not only an active in the women's club, she works hard to keep the center running smoothly. She can be seen in the serving lines during our anniversary and our Eskwela Chico Hialeah weekends. Please join me in congratulating Maria Maria.
Guys,